हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रवि तितलिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ डेली यूज़ हिंदी इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू इन्हेंस योर इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी as well as your English fluency. So don't forget to watch the video till end. Let's start with the first vocabulary word. The first word is take. It means lena. The next word is give. It means dena. The next word is laugh. It means hasna. The next word is drink. It means pina. The next word is read. It means padna. The next word is jump. It means kudna. The next word is dig. It means khodna. The next word is look. It means dekhna. The next word is search. It means khojna. The next word is play. It means khelna. The next word is weep. It means rona. The next word is deep. It means gahra. The next word is repair. It means sudharna. The next word is repeat. It means dohrana. The next word is happy. It means khush. The next word is beautiful. It means sundar. The next word is important. It means mahatvapurn. The next word is listen. It means sunna. The next word is push. It means dhakelna. The next word is pull. It means khichna. The next word is aware. It means jagruk. The next word is there. It means waha. The next word is always. It means hamesha. The next word is hang. It means latkana. The next word is almost. It means lagbhag. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the video for more videos.